Okay, now let's show you how to do a bevel cut on a miter saw. It's not a bevel saw. It's a miter saw. That means it's miters. Comes up with these names. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it down, and we're going to do a bevel cut. But this will allow us to clamp this down, which safety. And this is pressure treated. That's all I have right now. As far as scrap, it's pressure treated. I don't have any scrap regular, or else I wouldn't tear. But this is pressure treated. I just don't want to risk it. Safety. So you're gonna take your clamp and I'm gonna find a decent place to clamp that down. Might be a little bit in my way. Okay. I'm not too worried about kickback here where it's flying up. It's a small piece, it shouldn't hurt too much. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take the back of this here, we're going to loosen that up, so that way you can get this set at the bevel angle we want. Let's just do a 15-degree angle, that way I have room to get around my clamp. Make sure you have your safety glasses and your mask on, especially with the pressure treated wood. That was fun. Go for the bevel. You got a nice little angle there. 15 degree, what's 15 degree on this one? So then what degree is that on this? 90 minus 15, right? So 65. Let's make sure it's more than 45. Oh, hey, don't drop. Alright, so, probably more than 45. Quite a bit less than 45, quite a bit more than 45. Okay, so it's a 65-degree angle on this one. 15. I don't trust myself to remember stuff. I'm getting old. Okay, I am getting old. I might forget stuff. It's okay. I hope you found that useful. Bevel cut is tilted aside. If you need a 70-degree angle, take 90, subtract 70, put your thing at 20. Because most saws ain't gonna go 70. So they'll go up to 45, which is half the way between 90, between 0 and 90. So anything between 0 and 90 you can get to. You just might have to invert the number. The angle you need. Now. So you figure out the angle you need, and then subtract that from 90. You have to get your angle back. If you need 70, 90 minus 7 is 1. Bevel cut.